of Tina Bailon Lindres in Winnipeg. We are going to be cooking the Korean noodle Japchae, and with me is Christine. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, hi, hi. We are going to be using the Saladmaster Brazier pan to cook this magnificent meal. So Christine is going to show you how it's done. Take it away, Christine. What are we going to do first?
So we're using the 9 quarts Brazier pan, and we've just preheated it, and just to test it that it's ready before we put a little bit of oil or no oil, it's up to you. We're just gonna sprinkle it with a bit of water, and if you can see, can you see?
Beating?
So that's So
when the
that means
water
it's
starts
ready.
beating, that means it's ready. It's hot enough.
Yeah.
So she's gonna start. See how fast it is? Because of the thermal core system of Saladmaster, the heat just spreads so fast. Okay. So we have garlic to begin with.
Oh, we're just gonna
Put everything. Yep. Garlic, onions, and just give it a quick
I
stir.
was tempted to dump everything, but
You can do that. You can do it however you want it. So she put the garlic and onions, and then
your carrots.
carrots. Okay, what's next?
And then
Stir it a bit, and then she's gonna put the mushroom.
shiitake mushroom.
Okay, it's shiitake mushrooms. She's using shiitake mushrooms. Okay,
It's fresh. You can use the dried ones. You just make sure to
soak it in water
soak it in water to rehydrate it. And then,
until it's just a tad soft, right?
yeah. So we're just sauteing the veg. We can leave it for a bit, but usually
So the traditional way of cooking japchae is you saute it and you mix it. But you know what? With the Saladmaster system, we just dump everything, right? Go ahead. Look at the beautiful colors of the vegetables that we're using. This is going to be cooked in its heat, and you're going to see just how gorgeous the finished product is. What's next after that?
so that's it really. We're just gonna saute this for a bit, your vegetables, and then
I can take this. So she's just going to toss it lightly, just so that everything is heated up accordingly.
looks like we have some guests arriving already. Hello.
Welcome to our cooking show. We just produced it today. Alrighty. So next we have
So we're probably about 3 minutes or so.
3 minutes, right?
Just to cook
Yeah.
it for a bit. Yeah.
Do we need to cover it?
We could cover it just to.
Alright. So the Saladmaster cookware system has a wide rim, right? And how that works is that it acts as a seal, so that when the heat from the bottom goes up, it creates a, what do you call it? A semi-vacuum seal that just keeps all the flavors, all the nutrients inside the pan. So we're going to keep it there for about 3 minutes, and you will see that after we pull it, the colors are going to still be as vibrant as when it was cut fresh. Meanwhile, we're going to put all the other ingredients closer. Alrighty. So there is different ways of cooking it, but if you are very, very conscious about time, this is the way to do it, because you can just put everything and seal it, and for 8 minutes it's done, it's cooked. We're just doing this a little bit more of the traditional way, for those who are not yet familiar with how the Saladmaster cookware works. All right, so far so good.
Yes.
Come over here, my friend. Christine is very shy.
You're so gorgeous and so pretty, and but anyway.
I just look like Japchae. Alrighty. So this should be. Ooh, look at that sizzle.
So it's just easy with two.
Right. So the vegetables are softer now. That looks so good. And I guess we can go on with the next ingredient because once you put the sauce, we're just gonna cover it for 6 minutes and that should be done, right? So the next step for this one would be?
We can put the sauce
Okay.
and then the
So this is the Japchae sauce, and Christine, tell them, what is this made of?
So it's just soy sauce, your sesame oil, and then abused brown sugar as well. Yeah, and that's it. You just mix it up.
Very,
Just
very
salt.
simple. 3 seasonings: soy sauce, brown sugar, and sesame oil. Oh, it smells so good. If you guys are actually here in the kitchen, it smells so good. All right.
And then we could put the.
The
We
noodle?
just want to, we want to cook it a little bit so we can just cover it up. Our noodles is pre-cooked already.
The
for
noodle
about
is
5
pre-cooked,
minutes.
so 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So she boiled some water and put the potato noodles or the Japchae noodles for 5 minutes, just to keep it al dente or chewy.
Yeah, and we have the cooked spinach. You just blanch it 1 minute or less, and
Okay.
then just put in cold water or running water.
Okay.
Cold running water.
Just to arrest the cooking, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
And then you just have
Now, how healthy can this dish be?
and easy.
And easy. So if you're going to parties, if you're going to your fiestas, this is what you bring for your potluck because it is so simple to make. What Christine's gonna do is she's gonna drain the vegetables. She's gonna separate the vegetables from the sauce.
So our noodles can absorb the
Absorb.
sauce. So we're making for how many people?
30, right?
30 people.
Approximately 30 people. What's the cost? This probably costs about less than $40,
Yeah,
if at all.
Yeah, it's a good food for a crowd if you want to. And it's nutritious as well.
Very. That's the key, right? Remember, Saladmaster is all about nutrition, so that you eat better and you live better. All right. So what we're going to do now, I have my gloves here, so I'm going to help Christine here, and we're just going to get the noodles. And you can use this, I guess, to toss it, and we're just going to get the noodle, which, as earlier said, has been pre-cooked. We boiled it for about 5 minutes, just until it's tender, not overcooked, because we want it to be al dente or chewy.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Enjoy cooking too, Anna.
Me?
Yeah.
All my life. That's all I did. I have a big family. Way, way big. So yes, cooking is a part of my existence. Beautiful. Look at that. Alright, I'm going to put this aside.
I think you need like a strong arm
want me
to
to
make
make-
this many.
Come on, work it, work it. I'm gonna cut that off. I'm gonna edit that off. Okay, so far so good? Alright, I'm gonna take over because she said her arms needs a little break. So we're just basically tossing everything so that all the noodles are evenly coated in the sweet soy sauce and sesame oil concoction. And there you go. I think we got it all covered, Christine. So now we mix the vegetables back and it will be ready to serve shortly.
And you have an audience already, Mr. Isaac. Oh,
Mr. Isaac, how are you doing?
I'm doing well.
Very good.
Have you tried Korean
No.
noodles before?
I'm excited
You will
already.
okay.
Very good. It is one of my favorite dishes to prepare because, as we said earlier in the video, it's so easy to make. You can make this thing in under 40 bucks, under 10 minutes. Bring it to a potluck party and you're going to be the most popular guy in the group. Christine,
Yes.
I think I got all the noodles mixed together nicely. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get the veggies back, and we're just going to mix some under, top everything. Beautiful. Look at that. How pretty is that? Now we're gonna dress it up. What are we doing now?
Oh, so we can just put
Shred this one?
yes, as
Okay.
the toppings. I could,
So we're just going to tear this.
yeah, and
Like
that's
so?
just wilted spinach.
Uh-huh. Blanch, 1 minute. So if you're vegetarian, perfect dish for you. If you're vegan, perfect dish. Except we can't add the eggs if you're vegan. Yeah.
But could you add strips of, if you want some protein, could you add some
Tofu?
tofu
can
or
add
beef? Could you put some beef strips?
For non-vegetarian.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So with Japchae, you can put anything. You can put shrimp, you can put chicken, you can put anything, right? And then it depends on your dietary restrictions. If you're vegetarian, then you can go all vegetables. If you're vegan, there are no animal traces, right? And then we're gonna have the scrambled eggs. Look at the colors. Some onions or scallions. Beautiful. And
Do you want
this
some black
is,
sesame or this
let's
one?
go with the roasted. This is the traditional. Look at that. Voila. And this is Christine's Japchae,
And onions.
Korean glass noodle. All right, come here.
Oh no.
So this is what teamwork is all about. It makes a dream work. It makes a Japchae noodle. Thanks for watching. Watch us for our next video. So catch you guys later. Bye.
So we're gonna let Mr. Isaac judge our japchae, and we'll see. You don't have to finish it. You can just try it. Since this is the first time you're trying it, and you don't have food allergies, but you like veg.
I like vegetables a lot, yeah?
Okay. And you cook, sir? You cook?
I do, yeah.
You perfect.
Put bell
But
peppers.
this is a new dish for me. I never saw before.
Okay. Well, I think Miss Anna will show us more. Are you? I'm not sure. Are you sure? Yeah, sure. But she's actually a corporate. Are you a corporate trainer?
Corporate
Okay.
trainer.
I'm going ahead of Tina now. But yeah, she's gonna
Wow.
Tina will introduce Miss Anna later. And
This
here's your
looks
fork.
so yummy. So I'll try. What was this called again?
Japchae.
Japchae.
Yeah, it's a Korean glass noodle.
All right, I'll try eggs and noodle and vegetables. So. Mmm, very good. Very yummy. I like a lot with vegetables.
There you go.
With the
And-
good taste.
Perfect. Well, that's it for today. And with me behind is Jumar, who actually did the footage. He's first. Thank you, Jumar. Anyways, it's Anna Banana here at Tina Bailon Lindres' house, invading her kitchen using Saladmaster with Christine and with Isaac. Bye!
Bye.